Welcome back to my channel, everybody. So today we are going to be installing a little thing I got in the package. It's quick release clips for clips for a bumper. And then I also bought this little kit. So those were about 24 bucks. These were about 20 bucks. But we're going to be installing these today. Probably using these and getting rid of the little rubber band clips I have. So let's get started with that. Now we'll remove the upper ones here once I get everything going. I just don't want to do it all and then it not work. So we'll do that here in a few. Alrighty, so I had to go to the neighbors and borrow some fingernail polish here. So you put the fingernail polish on the end here, and then you push your bumper up. And it's marked. Now we're gonna seal this one back and go to the other side. I'm not gonna film the other side. I'll film me drilling this once I get everything done. So they're all on. I need to remove these. I adjusted everything best I could. There's a metal part that makes part of your fender and everything else that's kind of in the way, so really can't do much with that. I advise that if y'all want quick releases, don't get these. Do this. Looks cleaner. These all look, see, this side, that just looks so much cleaner. I mean, do what you want, but since I've seen these, I like these. 30 bucks. Alrighty, there they are. On. And of course, y'all saw that was already on when I first started. So, anyways, I think that's all gonna be all for this video. Next video, I will probably start doing wiring on the 240 or something with the 240. I'm not exactly sure what yet, but anyways, appreciate it. If you'll like, subscribe, hit the post notification if you're not already got that on, so you know when I'm posting next time. As well as I've noticed that about 98% of you all are not subscribed. Once again, I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers for the end of the year, or at least even 500, but I'd like to reach 1,000. So if y'all can go ahead and hit that subscribe button, that'd be awesome. I would appreciate it. And y'all have a good one. I'll see you next time. Peace out.